Number 1. ACLIM8 COMBAR FOLDAXE. This tool has already gained the trust of local special forces, with no returns during its Kickstarter campaign. Since the commencement of mass production, rescue teams, law enforcement agencies, and military units worldwide have shown great interest. The COMBAR combines the functionalities of an axe, a hammer, a saw, and a knife. Interestingly, the knife and saw are separate tools cleverly concealed within the handle of the combo. The axe measures 5 by 2.5 inches and boasts a patented folding design. The hammer is crafted from stainless steel and can even break rocks. The knife is made of 420 HC steel, with a blade length of 4.5 inches. The saw is compatible with standard 10-inch blades and includes a high-carbon steel blade from Bosch. You can acquire this versatile tool for $349. Number 2. The Überleben TINDÅR WICK. Do you wonder why tinderboxes fell out of favor? Once widely used until the early 19th century, matches eventually replaced them. Today, efforts to enhance tinderboxes primarily cater to hikers, hunters, and outdoor enthusiasts. The Überleben TINDÅR WICK is a remarkable addition to this category. It consists of a ferro rod and a paraffin wax-infused hemp wick, offering approximately an hour of burn time, comparable to a Bic lighter. For safety and convenience, the wick is enclosed in an aluminum casing, weighing a mere 0.6 ounces. Additionally, you can purchase a set of 3 wicks without the case for the same price of $12. Number 3. The Paleos. The German manufacturer behind the Paleos believes that each of us is born with perfectly functional feet, rendering unnecessary the need for sneakers with foam soles and other enhancements. The Paleos is designed to enable comfortable walking, running, dancing, and various activities without harming your feet. These shoes feature a design reminiscent of Knight's, constructed from closely woven fine steel mesh that securely conforms to your foot, thanks to special lacing and non-slip polymer inserts on the sole. Remarkably, you can wear them year-round, even in urban settings, without socks. A pair of the Paleos is priced at approximately $369. Number 4. Gravity hook. Imagine dropping your keys, a flash drive, or other small items down a storm drain. They appear to be within reach, but you can't quite retrieve them. For just $28, the gravity hook offers a solution that saves both money and time. Crafted from stainless steel, this device operates in 2 modes with 2 or 4 teeth, requiring no batteries, chargers, or gimmicks. Only a reliable rope. When the gravity hook touches the fallen object, its jaws open and securely grasp it upon retrieval. Measuring 5 inches in length, it takes up minimal space and is available either disassembled or assembled for an additional $5. Number 5. AARMED ST. Another versatile survival tool from the Survival Systems line, the AARMED ST is an aircraft-grade aluminum tube weighing 7 pounds. Its cylindrical shape serves multiple purposes, allowing you to store items from medicine to blankets, cook over a campfire, and use it creatively as a bow, fire starter, hole digger, hunting tool, hammer, and stake setter. These diverse functions make the AARMED ST an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Unfortunately, its Kickstarter campaign fell short of its goal, reportedly due to its $175 price tag. Number 6. Jaw batteries. The Jaw batteries offer a unique take on portable power with their water-activated double-A batteries. These eco-friendly batteries are designed to remain viable for approximately 20 years of storage, avoiding the deterioration and release of toxic substances associated with traditional batteries. To activate them and achieve a 100% charge, simply open the cap and immerse them in water for a minute. These batteries accept not only regular water, but also soft drinks, milk, and even urine for activation. The AA version is readily available, while AAA and 9V batteries are still undergoing testing. Invented in Singapore, a set of 4 AA batteries costs just over $7. Number 7. Caveman Fishing Kit. For those seeking the joys of fishing without the hassle of heavy equipment, the modern-day Caveman Fishing Kit offers a convenient solution. This $35 kit essentially provides a fishing rod without the rod itself, consisting of a handle and a spool for fishing line. The hollow handle cleverly conceals compartments for lures, hooks, sinkers, and bobbers. Additionally, it includes 900 feet of fishing line capable of holding around 30 pounds. Designed to simplify fishing without compromising performance or enjoyment, this product caters to a variety of outdoor enthusiasts. Originating from Guatemala, the project's success on Indiegogo was limited, achieving only 17% of its funding goal. Number 8. Charge Card. Introducing the Charge Card, a compact and portable charger designed to keep your device powered up on the go. This innovation comes from a Miami startup company, AquaVault, in response to the increasing demand for convenient power solutions in today's post-epidemic South Florida social scene. Resembling a credit card in thickness, the Charge Card fits easily into your wallet. Its stainless steel design complements premium credit cards, ensuring both style and function. Number 9. Hypershell Omega. For the avid outdoors enthusiast seeking to enhance their performance, the Hypershell Omega is a game changer. This exoskeleton, developed by Shanghai-based startup Hypershell, pioneers commercial exoskeleton technology by offering versatility, functionality, and ease of use in a single product. Designed to boost performance for daily walkers, backpackers, photographers, adventurers, and professional athletes, this exoskeleton provides an extra layer of power, similar to Superman's red underpants. While you may wonder why someone would strap such a contraption to their body for walking or running, Hypershell's innovative design aims to redefine the outdoor experience. Number 10. Wickom Y, Wi-Fi Pocket Router. Wickom Y is a compact and portable pocket Wi-Fi router with global coverage. It utilizes a unique and secure worldwide virtual SIM card network technology, catering to those in need of internet connectivity for business or travel. Its network services extend to 127 countries, offering 4G LTE dual-channel uplink and downlink. Wickom Y provides global roaming data services, enabling access to websites across various networks, even in areas with limited access. It stands out as an affordable option, offering extensive validity and budget-friendly international roaming packages. Access to these services is available to all Wickom users, making it ideal for frequent business travelers. Wickom operates as a secondary virtual network operator, collaborating with telecom operators worldwide to provide a reliable database of global roaming data packages. Users can easily order and control their data packages via the Wickom app. Thank you for joining us on this adventure of innovation and discovery. If you're ready to unlock a world of possibilities, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in cutting-edge technology and remarkable outdoor gear. We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Which product caught your eye? What would you like to see next? Your feedback is invaluable in shaping the content we bring to you.